I want you to look at all of these payments. These people are receiving minimum $500 a day, and their goal is to receive $1,000. Now, how would you like to make this amount of money? This is called high ticket sales. Now, look at Brandon from Canada. He said, I've been using high ticket sales in my business to crack $100,000 per month every month for years. The 1K daily system app makes things even easier for me. With this incredible done for you automated system, blown away by how advanced this is. Great job. And he has been doing getting these high ticket commissions using the 1K system. Now I'm going to show you everything in this video. I'm going to show you how you can plug and play, how you can get everything automated, and also how you can get tons of payments from here. Now also look at all of these payments from here. These people are making literally minimum $71 every single 5 minutes, 20 minutes using this same system. All right, now this guy just generated $200. Now you can do the same, and you can get this directly into your bank account or PayPal account instantly every single day. Now, what are we talking about? It's called the 1K daily system. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on, because in this channel we are here every single day showing you guys how to make money online and also how to generate passive income online right from your laptop. All right, we are here every single day showing you guys everything, so make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on. And also, if you guys are looking to make the 1K daily system, there's a link in my description. But before you go into that link, make sure to watch this entire video, because I'm going to show you bonuses after bonuses, and also how you can take the most advantage of this software. And without further ado, we are going back into the video. Now here I am at the back office of the website, or basically the system that will generate you a lot of money. All right, now as you can see, it's called 1K daily system. Now the name, it says everything. So the goal for you is to generate 1K a day in this simple system. All right, now what are you going to be doing is basically they have automated everything for you. They have the system ready in play. They have all the high ticket commissions, basically funnels. Everything is done for you. Now all you have to do is basically add your commission. So you need to have a ClickBank account. All right, if you don't have a ClickBank account, it's okay. You can have Warrior Plus, you can have JVZoo, you can have Digistore. All of these affiliate network will work for this software as well. Now we're going to be testing out the Simple Wi-Fi Profit. If you don't know what is this, it's by two super affiliates. They have their own training webinar, and they teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. All right, now the thing with this is basically all you have to do is, you don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is place your affiliate links into the software, and then it will literally give you traffic and everything. So you can see even this funnel, the funnel you're seeing right now, even the creators, they approved this and they said it converts really well. Now the only thing that you're going to be doing with this is basically going back into this. You're going to go to the settings, and then you're going to take your affiliate links. As you can see, this is the affiliate links that I have for in here. All right, now whenever someone clicks on this one, okay, it will take them to the affiliate link page. All right, once it goes there, they are gonna come into this page. Now this is called the reservation, or basically the webinar that they're going to reserve. So whenever they add their things in here, they're gonna be sent an email so that they can watch the webinar. All right, now the coolest part about this is also, if you go to the webinar page content, this is gonna be the webinar page content. All right, it will literally send them an email. Now all you have to do is install your autoresponder. When you're gonna come in here, integration, once you click that, it will take you into the autoresponder area where you can add all your affiliates. I personally use GetResponse, and whenever I click here, I already have my API key. All right, it's very easy, and it explains also in here. If you don't know how to get that, you're gonna log into your GetResponse account. You're gonna select integration and API from your account menu at the top left bar, and then you're gonna generate your API, and then you're gonna copy that, and then you're gonna paste it in here, and then you're gonna click connect. That's pretty much it. There's also Aweber. You can add your Aweber in here. MailChimp, you can add ConvertKit, you can have SendLane, you can have all the things, pretty much all the autoresponder are available in this software. Even ActiveCampaign is available. All right, now what you're going to be doing is here, whenever you're done with that, that's called the step one, connecting your autoresponder. On the step two, you're going to come to done for you campaigns. This is very important. I hope you guys paying attention to this. And then you're going to choose the affiliate project that you like. Basically, if I've been doing this Simple Wi-Fi Profit, and you're going to get $500 per each sale you do. All right, now 2 sales a day, that means $1,000 a day. All right, so that's pretty much it. And basically, for the Simple Wi-Fi Profit, with the bonus, I mean with the upsells, you're gonna make $1,000. So if some of your users or the traffic converted, that means you can generate up to $1,000 a day with this. Now what are we going to be doing is, first of all, this edit, this publish, and then this traffic. First thing is in the funnel is you're going to click edit. All right, once we click edit, then the page will come, then that you can add your affiliate links. You can literally if you don't like anything from it, but I don't suggest you guys to change anything, because this one is proven to work and proven to convert as well. All right, you can see all these are here. Everything has been laid out. You don't have to do anything. You don't even need a website for that. Everything is done for you. You're gonna come to the webinar page as well. Everything is also done for you. Now the only thing that you're gonna be doing is you're gonna come to the settings, and then if you're gonna add your ClickBank ID, or ClickBank, if you have an ID, you're gonna remove this and then add your ID. That's pretty much it. All right, and then you're pretty much good to go. And if you want, you can also select if you want, there's a social proof as well for that if you want to. And then from here you can add your autoresponder. All right, for example, the autoresponder that I'm using is GetResponse. Then it's gonna be in here, and then here it says the opt-in page, button. So click here to start. That's pretty much it. Nothing else you have to do. And then once everything is done, you're gonna save it. And then when you click back to done for you campaigns, once we do that, we are gonna come to the publish area. All right, this is gonna be the area that you're gonna be using for this. All right, now you can see these are the opt-in page. We're gonna click view so that we can view it and then see it how it looks like. And then we're gonna also show you mobile version view and the desktop. Now as you can see the desktop version view, this is going to be the page that people will get into whenever you send them traffic. They're going to click in here. This is going to be whenever they add their email in here, it will come into your autoresponder if you have correctly installed that. All right, now for the mobile version view, I use like this so that I can know if it's a mobile version view. Now as you can see, this is very compliant with the mobile version view. Very simple stuff. All right, you can see everything is ready and good in place. Now this one, it took me to the webinar page because and then there's also bonuses. This is the best thing about this. Whenever someone, this is called also scarcity. All right, whenever someone gonna click exit, this is called exit pop-up. Before you go, I have to remind you, if you stay till the end of this exclusive training, you will receive my free gift, which is all of these are bonuses they're gonna get. All right, now people will say, let me continue watching the training, and then this is gonna be the webinar they have to watch for 2 hours, and it's basically saying streaming. So whenever this ends up, they're gonna be able to add, yes, I deserve this right now. And then once they click that, it will literally take them to the ClickBank page, the area page, and then they are going to sign up for this. Very simple stuff. Now I want you guys to get into this because basically everything here is done for you. You don't have to do anything, and everything is laid out clearly for you. And then the best part, traffic. You're gonna click in here for the traffic, and that's pretty much it. It's very interesting. You can do all this basically to do it so that you can get instant traffic. And for the software, whenever you land in here, this is gonna be the page where you're gonna be getting into. It says the high ticket commission app generates them basically $1,000 in commissions and unlimited free traffic in under 60 seconds. That's the goal for this. All right, if it doesn't work for that, you get 100% refund of your amount. And on top of that, all right, they're gonna give you, if you make sales, or we will personally help you one-on-one. All right, basically means if you don't make sales, they will personally help you one-on-one so that you can literally generate. If you don't make money from this software, you're gonna get your money back, and also they're gonna help you one-on-one. All right, and also on top of that, they have 100% done for you high commission system, 100% free traffic, and zero tech skills experience or maintenance required, 5-figure a day training included to get you started, and 100% beginner friendly. No email list, no paid traffic, nothing, nada. Right? So you need to watch this video so that you can understand the entire thing, and that so that you can understand also the system, how it works out. And make sure that you guys need to know that this is that price will raise whenever this hits 0. If it hits 0, then the price will come to the normal price. Right now it's 90% off. All right, I've made a video about this yesterday, and there's many people joined into the program and they are enjoying the software. I've been getting so much emails about people saying, I've started to make money, this thing works, this is the best I've ever done. So this is going to be your last chance, and this is going to be the last video I'm going to make it about this software. So make sure to get in while it's basically almost free, because there's 90% off. All right, you're only paying 10%. All right, and it's also one-time price, so 0 monthly fees. Now once you have that, and I'm gonna also show you bonuses, because the best thing about this is that the bonus they have is killer. That is just very interesting. So step 1, you're gonna quickly grab the copy of your software. That's going to be the step 1. Step 2, which is the same thing that I showed you guys in the video, log in, and then you're going to configure basic stuff like your affiliate links. That's pretty much it, affiliate links, and then connecting the autoresponder. And then 3, get traffic on sales. That's pretty much it. And as you can see, these are all the payments proof of people getting with this. And this is really it was yesterday basically, and people are getting so much money from this. All right, now you can see also like today 3,000, also today 3,000, 2,000. People are making minimum $1,000 a day. Some people are making 3,000. So this could be you. All right, so I love about people when they take action, and then email me whenever you start making money, and also from there we can start. This is called Laptop Lifestyle. All right, you can do it anywhere in the world. You can do it in VG, you can do it in under your garage, you can do it anywhere basically. So this is very interesting. And on top of that, these people are literally making money using the same system. All right, it's not the same software, but then this is how they make money. They make money high ticket commissions. For example, Anik Singhal, Kevin David, Russell Brunson, Alex, Adrian, Anthony. So all these people, they making money from affiliate market, and they getting high ticket commissions every single day. So why can't you do that? They giving you the done for your system. Now all you have to do is 10 minutes a day playing with the system. All right, and then you're gonna generate money. If you don't, they're gonna help you, they're gonna mentor you one-on-one. They're gonna help you to do everything. If you don't make money, and also the software owner is called Glenn, and he's very good person. I always contact him on Skype, and this guy, he have made $8 million in online sales with a very quick message that will help you generate fortune online. Now Glenn will help you everything out with basically how to make money, and this is basically the Snapchat. All right, so I know that this is Snapchat, and this is how he was getting. So he got 450 contacts from this. I don't know if it's him or if it's his students, but basically this system actually works. And if you have also Warrior Plus, you can do the same thing. You can literally make money with Warrior Plus as well. Now this is gonna be your chance to take advantage of this and start making money. Now we're gonna go to the bonuses so that you guys understand everything what you're gonna be getting with this. Now there's gonna be 4 bonuses you're gonna get with this system. Very easy stuff, and you're gonna start to build your basically empire with this. Now bonus number 1, you're gonna get multiple free traffic software value at 1,997. all right. Bonus number 2, you're gonna get 100 extra bonuses. That's 997, and this includes full collection of our best products, including some incredible methods and powerful software. There's enough in here to keep you head racing with ideas how to get to the next level. Bonus number 3, you're gonna get guaranteed approval to high converted affiliate offers, value priceless. it's priceless basically. And bonus number 4, multiple exclusive live web streams and value, also priceless because they teaching you everything. These are all the bonuses you're gonna get. On top of that, you're gonna get bonus from me. Reach out to me whenever you purchase this under my link, and then I'm gonna give you my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing guide that you can get it under me whenever you basically use my link to buy this software with the bonuses. On top of these bonuses, you're gonna get one bonus as well from me, which is my free guide on how to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. All right, now here's the thing. Whenever you click the first link in my description, you're gonna land on this page. All right, the first link, which says the $1,000 a month, $1,000 a day affiliate, basically the system, this is going to be the page you're going to land in, which says urgent warning, limited time only. Now this is going to be, you're going to click on this one, and then you're going to add your email. Once you add your email, it will take you to this page so that you can grab your software from here. Once you've done that, make sure that the timer stills on the under 30 minutes, on 30 minutes, so that you can grab it with the basically 90% off. If not, then I'm sorry, you're too late for that. But that's how you can get with this system. Now I hope you guys like this video. Make sure, if you guys do, to subscribe and turn the notification on, and let me know what you guys think about this video. Also, let me know where you guys are watching this video from, so I can make videos on your region as well. All right.